Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sunshine, I'm focused on makeup and luxury beauty, and today I'm going to show you my glowy spring summer makeup tutorial. I'm going to focus on my skin, show you how to glow with some beauty products that I love using, so let's begin. First of all, to prep my skin, I'm going to use the By Terry Invisible Sunscreen Primer before applying my foundation. I'm using a foundation brush to apply it all over my face to make the application more easier to me. These primers are going to prime, perfect and protect my skin thanks to antioxidant vitamin E and protective UV filters. The fresh lightweight cream gel texture gives a non-greasy, dewy finish, providing the perfect canvas for my makeup application. You need to know this primer is SPF 50 and suited to all skin types. Now I'm going to use the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat Blur Primer all over my face to have a flawless finish skin. This is one of my favorite primers that I love to use before applying my foundation just because the blurring effect is absolutely magical. Touche Éclat Blur Primer is such a good product that I recommend before applying your foundation. Then, also from YSL Beauty, I'm gonna be using the Touche Éclat Le Teint Foundation to achieve a beautiful and glowy skin. In my opinion, this is one of the best foundations to try this spring-summer season. Let me tell you why. Touche Éclat Le Teint Foundation are going to give you a luminous and radiant complexion for 24 hours. You can apply it with your fingers or with a good foundation brush to perfect your complexion as you want. Actually, I'm using the Dior Backstage Light Coverage Foundation Brush number 11, but you can use another one, the results are going to be lit too. Look at that skin. The finish is so beautiful. For concealer under my eyes, I'm going to use the Lancome Teint Idol Ultra Wear Concealer in Muscat shade that I'm using with a MAC Cosmetics concealer brush to perfectly correct my dark circles, puffiness, etc. and blend it so with a beauty blender, wet lightly to have an harmonious finish. Next, I'm going to use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Almond shade to correct all the imperfections that I have on my pretty face. So I'm going to illuminate some parts like my forehead, my chin, around my mouth and my nose. It's necessary for me to sculpt and define my complexion, above all draw the light to the center of my face. And I'm going to blend everything with a beauty blender sponge, slightly wet again for a beautiful and harmonious finish. Now to set everything in, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Honey shade. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder under my eyes with a Morphe powder brush just to break the shiny effect under my eyes and all around my mouth and my nose. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the NARS Tinted Smudge Eyeshadow Base in medium shade before applying my eyeshadows and blend it so with a Morphe Buffer Concealer brush. So far so good. Now I'm gonna be using this NARS Wonderful Cool Crush eyeshadow palette. I really love the packaging and all of these beautiful colors. First, I'm going to apply the Risk color with a fluffy angled eyeshadow brush at the outer corner of my eyelid. This is a matte brown mixed with red that I'm going to blend slightly to have a pretty smoky effect on my look. Next, I'm going to apply and blend the fresh cut color at the inner corner of the lid to add more dimension on my eyes and make sure I do the same on the other side. And now I'm going to apply the Isolde 2 color over the tint fresh cut to create an halo effect. Don't hesitate to apply more to be seen. And then I clean up just above like that and redraw the outline with my concealer brush, make some refreshing, just the details, and that's it. And on my lower lash line, I'm going to apply the fresh cut color again to have a beautiful look just before doing my eyebrows off camera. To my eyelashes, I'm going to apply the YSL Mascara Effet Fossil Radical. For this makeup look, you can keep it natural or apply false eyelashes. Do it as you want, but I think both are truly beautiful. And I'm also going to clean and set my under eyes again with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder quickly just before applying the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in Pink Mint to warm up my complexion. And I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown Highlighter Afternoon Glow to shine more and more, have a beautiful, luminous and glowy complexion for this spring-summer season. A little bit on my nose, on my chin. Then I'm going to define my lips with the MAC Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Chestnut before applying my pretty lip gloss. And I'm going to apply the NARS lip gloss in Greek Holiday. I love this lip gloss so much, the texture is so smooth on my lips and so easy to apply. Look at the glow. So this is my final look guys, my spring summer makeup look, so smooth and glowy at the same time. You can wearing this makeup look for special events or a wedding. Anyways, let me know in comments what you've been thinking, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye, bisous.